You all probably know this, mister. No Koments. Well, today I stopped by his snack bar to try his famous sandwiches.
Now it's getting interesting.
One thing worth mentioning for drivers, there's a car wash right here, so while your car's getting cleaned, you can grab a bite. There's also a kid's playground, so it's a good spot to come with children.
Whoops.
Here's the sandwich menu. There are plenty of options, all named after car brands. I went for the Big Cupra for 12 euros with roast beef and bacon. And here it is, the much-hyped No Koments Cupra sandwich.
Get in my belly!
Taste-wise, the bun, sauce, and roast beef were quite good, but the bacon completely ruined it. It was full of large, chewy pieces of cartilage that were impossible to eat. Mr. No Koments, you should really choose better ingredients for your sandwich. Also, the price is way too high for what you get. Considering these two downsides, my rating is 8 out of 10.